Guys, there's something going on with the washing machine. I just heard it going. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. Just hear something going on in there. I don't think it's really. Just gonna park on my scooter right here, and I'm gonna see what in the world. Oh heck no! Look what's going on with this washing machine in here. Like, look at this thing. This thing finna explode. This looks like the perfect time to run. Look at this thing. Y'all want one last glimpse? Yeah. Look at this thing. This thing is shaking. I can tell. Look at that. Look at this. Look how crazy this is. That thing is shaking. That thing is shaking. And if I put my thing on, if I put the Motorola on there, heck no, that thing's gonna explode. I was trying to say. Man, this thing's still shaking. Let me show you how it's shaking. You don't really see it shaking. Look. See the camera shaking? Do you see the camera shaking? That's how you can tell. Or you can just tell by this. Oh my God. Now I'm finna spread this news to Sergio right now. Hold on. This thing has some mischief to do this. So y'all, I'm finna just spread this to Sergio. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Sergio, you would not believe what mischief is going on with this washing machine over here. Let me show you how it's shaking. Look. See, right here, it's shaking. Oh. See this? So this right now, this thing is going to explode for some reason. I'm just saying. But let me show you. I'm finna just be in here for a while. If you guys did not know, Yep, guys. No, wait, no. Guys, see this? Like, look at this one right by it. Completely still. And this thing? Wait. 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 This thing. Wait. Guys. Alright. Alright. Alright, I think this washing machine done.